Hello everyone, so I am now in the Philippines. Just flew in a few days ago and ito ang ating first Philippine keto diet video. And we will start with breakfast with our keto coffee. And then we're gonna have avocado. So, grass-fed dapat or organic yung butter. Mga 1 tablespoon or 15 grams. And then 1 tablespoon ng virgin coconut oil. So our coffee is done. Kaping barakong ketogenic. Kinda overfilled my cup. So isa sa mga very important na sources of good fat ay ang avocado. So normally yung ginagawa ko is I buy different colors. So kapag nakita mo ito and then pag pinisil mo siya, alam mo medyo malapit na siyang mahinog. And then yung green na medyo matigas, so hindi pa yan right. But one way na very good na madali siyang maghinog, although you have to be careful with it, is ibabalot mo siya ng papel. Yan. So when I bought these were all green. And then pinahinog ko yung at least yung dalawa so that I can eat it for today. Don't refrigerate, pero important na hindi mo siya mapapabayaan or else bibilis yung kanyang paghinog. Okay, so binuksan na natin yung avocado and as you can see, hinog siya. So brown yung labas pero very green sa loob. And then when you eat it, just to make sure, sea salt lang ang ilalagay mo. Bawal lang sukal. Again, no sugar on this diet. I do not use iodized salt kasi usually yung iodized salt that is made in a lab, kailangan mataas yung sodium intake mo, especially after you lose all the water weight by cutting your carbs. Okay, so binalatan na natin yung ating avocado and weighed it. So it's about 83 grams. And so this is our first ketogenic breakfast, keto coffee, isang avocado. Here's the macros. And I'll see you at lunch. Thanks for watching.